Welcome to the demonstration of 32Soft's Customer Item Maintenance Data Loader. This data loader has been designed for QAD users who manage large amounts of customer item records. It eliminates the need to manually manage one record at a time in QAD's 1.16 Customer Item Maintenance menu. Customer Item Data Loader will improve your productivity and allow you to do much more in much less time. Let's take a look at how the Customer Item Data Loader can help you manage your customer item records with greater efficiency and accuracy. When we open the Data Loader, we see a familiar Excel spreadsheet with the addition of the Data Loader banner. The banner includes filtering options and action buttons, which allow us to download data from and upload data back to QAD. To get started, we need to select the correct database. We click the Setup button to find the appropriate database and select it. We can set up as many databases in the data loader as needed. The fields in the banner highlighted in yellow allow us to filter records by item number and customer number ranges. If we leave filter fields open, all customer item records will be downloaded. Let's enter specific search parameters, such as customer number range. Once the filter parameters have been entered, we can select the Download button. As soon as we select any of the action buttons for the first time, a login screen appears. As with all 32Soft data loaders, the Customer Item Loader uses QAD authentication logic to validate user ID and password. This data loader validates that the user has access to menu 1.16. Let's log in. The data is downloaded and all records that match our search criteria are displayed. We see that the data fields of QAD menu 1.16 Customer Item Maintenance are displayed. Columns with gray headers indicate read-only fields. The values from these columns will not be uploaded into QAD. These fields do give us some extra information about the records once they've been downloaded. Green headers indicate fully writable fields, so we can edit values in these columns. For this demonstration, let's change the item number on some of the records we downloaded, and let's add some comments. Since data loaders utilize standard Excel spreadsheets, we have all of Excel's functionality, so we can copy-paste data from one cell to other cells. Let's also add a new customer item record. We can just copy the last record, paste it, and change the values that differ for our new record. Once we have reviewed our data, we simply click the Upload button to send our data to QAD. A pop-up screen displays the status of the upload and will indicate if the upload is successful or if our data contains errors. Just like all 32Soft data loaders, the Customer Item Maintenance Data Loader validates data in the cells against genuine QAD logic and will return an error message if inaccurate data is submitted, as in this case. When we encounter an error, we need to close the status window and correct the error before attempting to upload the data again. We can use the Find Error button to find and fix all errors in the file. Cells that contain errors are highlighted in red. When we place the cursor in the cell, the reason for the error is displayed. We must correct all errors before resubmitting our data. Let's try to find the next error. There are no more errors, so let's try to upload the data again. This time the upload is successful. We can close the status window. We can click the Download button again to verify that the new or edited information was uploaded successfully. And we can see all information was uploaded successfully to QAD. As demonstrated, this easy-to-use productivity tool enables you to easily manage a large number of customer item records in convenient Excel spreadsheets and upload the data safely to QAD. 32Soft's Customer Item Maintenance Data Loader will increase your productivity, reduce errors, and significantly contribute to your bottom line. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com. And please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars, www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for watching this demonstration.